Hey guys, I want to talk washing. So when you're travelling for long times, like we'll be away for about a month, you need to stop and have a wash at the laundromats and some of the caravan parks. So this is my laundry detergent pack. So I've got laundry detergent clearly labelled, please, so we don't need it. Lots of dollar coins. So most laundromats use dollar coins. It's very rare. Sometimes the dryers use $2 coins, but you can always change the money with the caravan park. And then I just zip it up and I cart that over to the laundromat with my laundry bag. Now this is some bag of pegs. It's not enough, we're finding, because we're not washing as much, so we wash a whole lot in a big time, so we use 1 peg per clothes. It's quite annoying. And this becomes my laundry. My laundry bag at the moment is down at the laundromat because I am washing today. But these things, these mesh bags, if you can get a hold of any of these, I don't remember where I got them from. I think it was like a Tupperware company or something, and I can't remember. But anyway, they're supposed to be fruit bags. You know how you're supposed to not use plastic bags anymore, and they're fruit bags. I use these for everything. So my pajamas go in them, so I can wear them again. My togs go in them, so I can take them and use them again. I put my toothbrush and that sort of thing as a mini toiletry bag instead of the big one, the blue one down the back there that I've got that has everything in it. And yeah, so invest in some of these smaller bags. They're awesome, and you can carry them back and forth throughout the caravan parks or wherever you need to go. Okay, so let's have a look at where do you dry this stuff, because we've got stuff in the washing machine today. We're going to put a bit in the dryer. Sometimes the dryers don't work. So Kev has made me, so sometimes we just hang stuff off the awning, not much bikinis there, and but Kev has made me a clothesline string across as well. So his swimmers are there, and we just put our towels that we're using there at the moment. So that's an awesome little addition that he made for me with the handy stuff that he had in his little toolbox while we're here. But when we're travelling, if things aren't dry, like your bath towel, etc., we've also got this hanging rail that's on the roof of the roof rack. That's the screw coming through from the roof rack. And so Kev made this before we leave, and it's an extra line, clingy line. Let me get myself balanced on the back of the car here. And hold on, let me try that again so you can see it. It stretches so that we can put clothes and stuff and things that aren't dry, hang it up so it's not all wet on the bed stuff. So yeah, so that's the washing clothes. That's the fun part of travelling for longer times. And if you just pack that little bit, that seems to be enough. Also, I must say, collapsible buckets, the best thing ever. Okay, so that comes up and you pull it up or push it up, put it down, put it up. I'll get Kev to do that for us. There you go. See, just like that. And that becomes a bucket. And you can do clothes washing in it. I had my foot soak in it. You wash it out afterwards each time. And we also carry our dishes into the camp kitchens to clean up and wash up in the camp kitchens and bring them back. So it really is a necessary item. I'm glad I bought that one. I wasn't going to, but yeah, I'm glad I did. So those few little tips, I hope get you through some hard times. Those little bags are awesome. Collapsible bucket, take plenty of pegs, laundry detergent and $1 coins, and that will get you started with your washing. And if you can, find lines, your stretchy line bits. Otherwise, use the awnings. That's the only way to go. Okay. All right, there's our bed, still not made. We don't make them. We live on that. Oh, while I'm talking, I might as well talk about beds too. So this here is a picnic blanket that you fold up. I bought that from Big W ages ago, so now I use it. We have the mattress, we have the quilt cover, and then we have the picnic blanket over the top. And then we just shove the sleeping bags, and we've got 2 pillows that sit up the very top and don't get dirty. And we can pull out that picnic blanket and give it a shake, and that's making our bed. So you can see it's very easy, and we've got all the stuff still here, storage. Okay, so enjoy your washing days. All right, bye. Our first day cooking, having to cook for ourselves in the back of the van. We have our little gas oven with a pot, and we're cooking up some bacon and tomatoes. Yum, 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 yum for breakfast. So this is just our easy meal. Over here on the other side we have our little DC, is it DC, Kev? What's the power source of the kettle? 12 volt lighter kettle. It takes a while to boil, but it's going ahead, and we've got our cuppers ready to pour into there for a cup of tea. And so let's see how the bacon cooks and sizzles. Oh, you can hear it now. Yum, yum, yum. See it smoking. So yeah, we thought we'd better show you how we just have the little gas oven with a little butane bottles, the aerosol can things, and then you've got we've got a pot that the handle comes off, and so we can pack it away in the actual drawers underneath the bed. So that's our morning. We'll start having breakfast. Thanks, guys.